If you're looking for a way to implement video call and voice call functionality on your app or platform, this video will teach you how to build a video call and voice call over Tencent RTC in 3 minutes. Now let's get started. Step 1. Download the demo. First, go to the GitHub URL in the video introduction. We can download the source code of the demo through this URL. Open your terminal. In the terminal, type git clone, paste the URL you just opened, and click Enter to download our source code. Wait for the download to complete and open the TUICallKit Android project through Android Studio. Make sure you open the Android folder or you may get an error. Step 2. Configure the demo. Find the Tencent RTC URL in the video introduction and go to the console. Next, we need to create an application in the console. Click Create Application. In the pop-up window, select Call and fill in the application name. Make sure the version is free trial and select your deployment region. Click on Create, and we have successfully created a call application in the Tencent RTC console. In basic information, you can find SDK app ID and SDK secret key. Go back to Android Studio and follow this path to open the file. Copy the SDK app ID and SDK secret key and paste them into the corresponding places in the file. Remember to save the file when you are done pasting. This completes the configuration of the demo. Step 3. Running the demo. Make sure your Android phone is connected to the computer. If your device doesn't show up in your Android Studio, remember to turn on Allow USB debugging in the developer checkbox of your Android device. Once connected, run the project in Android Studio. Wait for the pop-up window to appear on your phone to install the app. After the installation is complete, please follow the same way to install the app on another phone. It should be noted that both installations should use the same SDK app ID and SDK secret key. Open the downloaded app on each of the 2 Android phones. Enter 2 different user IDs. Let's take 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6 as an example. Click Login. Click Register. Click 1v1 Call. Enter the user ID of another device. Select Video Call. Then we can make a real-time video call with our friends via Tencent RTC. In Video Call, you can turn on the virtual background, turn on or off the microphone and camera according to your needs. You can also flip the camera to share the view with your friends. If you just want to have a voice call with your friends or colleagues, you can choose Voice Call. In Voice Call, you can also choose whether to turn on the microphone and speakers according to your needs.